see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining.
Alright, so I already braided my hair. This time I braided it straight back into rows. I have not sewn the bottom yet. And I did cornrows straight back. I made sure I had some parts up here that were nice and clean, so I could flip it from side to side. And then I didn't do jumbo braids in the back, because sometimes when I do jumbo braids in the back, I'll notice that I'm kind of like cognizant of gaps and things. So this is the hair that I'm using. I got this hair because I really didn't know what I wanted. I wanted like Senegalese twist. But this hair is not like Senegalese twist. It is a little more puffy, in that natural look per se, rather than the silky look. But they're nice and small like Senegalese twist. So I'm gonna try these, and they're wavy. So yeah, this would be a first. So I got 3 of these, and I think that should be able to cover my entire head. You're gonna want your handy dandy crochet tool, and then let's open up these packs of hair. So there's many different ways you can decide to do your braiding pattern. I have a crochet playlist. Uh-oh. What? So I just noticed that this crochet doesn't come with a loop. I feel bamboozled. I think that means I have to create the loop myself, which I feel like is gonna take a lot more time. I was expecting this to take like an hour. Literally, I put my timer on. It says crochet and latch hook. This is interesting. All right, let's see here. Did they just like forget to put the loops on these? I'm so confused right now. All right, so I guess this will make for a better tutorial since I haven't done this one before. Oh, would that mean it'll be like double the twist with only one, like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not just one twist, it's 2. So maybe this will go faster. Let's see. So now you have 2 twists instead of 1. I guess that's pretty cool. I was a little mad for a second, but that might get this job done even quicker. So yeah, I didn't know they made them like this. So put it in, close the latch, pull it, push it through, and then pull it up. Wow, who knew? Who knew they had these out there? I was mad at first, but this just might work, honey. The thing with crochet that I've learned is, for me personally, I like when it's too thick, I'll leave spaces on these sides, because I kind of like for the top to be more full. So if I make the sides full, then in the top full, then it's just like way too full for me. But if you leave some spaces on the sides, then do the top how you like it, you can always go back and fill in the gaps on the sides after the top is done. Plus, I mean, let's just be honest, you run the risk of running out of hair, because at least for me, I don't start on the top, I start on the sides, then I go to the top and finish the whole front, and then I'll go to the back. So the back is where I can be the most loose and sparing with, I feel like. And then the front is where, particularly the top front, but especially by your parts, I normally just line them up like row by row when I get to the top. So yeah, once you get the technique down, crochet is a breeze. All you have to do is get your hair cornrowed or cornrow your hair down in the pattern that you like it, and then get this crochet technique down. So like I said, this one surprised me. It does not have a loop on it, but it's kind of better because you get 2 twists at one time instead of a loop and 1 twist at a time. So at first I felt gypped. Now I feel like I am winning, okay? So I actually wonder if this is gonna cut my time down. So let me know, guys. Let me know if y'all have used crochet like that is pre-braiding hair. Because I know this is basically the technique for like normal loose hair crochet. But if you used pre-twisted or pre-braided hair that didn't have a loop in, I'm interested to see if this is like something new or am I just late to the game. I'm liking the wave in it. It gives it a little more something something. Even though, as most of you know, I do wear a uniform on a daily basis, so I'll be putting this hair in a bun. So I'm not sure if the wave will keep or not. It may not, but if you know, once you have your hair in a bun over an extended period of time, you know, pull back, you can pull the wave out. So I may be able to enjoy the wave at first or for the first couple of weeks or in the weekend, but that wave might get pulled out. I don't know. I could update you guys if you are interested. They have community posts now on YouTube, so I can just send you guys a quick update. If you're interested in this hair, let me know and I'll let you know how it is, how the waves are. I gotta say, this hair is called like wavy feather twist. It is light as a feather. Like, it is so light. It's really nice. It's not heavy at all. And that's what I like about it. It's basically like skinny kinky twist because it's not like the silky Senegalese twist. It's more of the kinky twist texture, but just as small as Senegalese twists are. So I'm starting to get toward the front, not really where I would say my parts will be showing as much, but I am getting kind of thicker with it. I'm putting them closer together at this point. Yeah, this part I did really straight, so I think this is where I'll really do it nice, and then maybe I'll see how the middle part will look here. So you want to give yourself options. The other parts, depending on how you like to wear your crochet, don't really matter as much. And the back absolutely doesn't matter unless you want to do the back bottom. So if you want to braid the bottom going upwards, so that way it looks natural, you know, like singles instead of crochet, if you want to put your hair up. I'm not too worried about putting my hair up this time, and I also just wanted to do a style real quick and not spend too much time on braiding. I did do a crochet braiding tutorial where you can make it look like your hair is in singles, and it just took a lot longer than just sitting down and cornrolling my hair. It definitely was, I would say, worth it for that style because it looked super good. But you know, with any hairstyle, it just all depends on your preference. So right here on this part, I'm going to start doing them closer. All right, so we are halfway, and this time I'm going to just kind of flip the way I've been doing it and do the crochet in the opposite way, so that way it can keep laying down. So I'm going to go down instead of putting my crochet tool up. Ah, is it closed? Yes, it's closed. So that's what I like to do when I do my crochet. I go the front first, side, side, and then I'll finish off with the top and then move on to the back. And like I said, you can really get more sparing, I guess, in the back. You don't have to be as tight. But I usually do my braids a lot bigger in the back. This is going to be the first time that I'm not doing my braids like dookie braids basically in the back. Apparently I didn't start my stopwatch. That is unfortunate. You know what? It tells me how long I've been recording for, right? 26 minutes. So it's been 26 minutes so far. But I also just wanted to come on here and chat with you guys about crochet, my techniques in crochet, and just some things I learned along the way, some ideas I could give you all. It literally feels like no hair is here. Like, it's so crazy how light this is. So this is one pack down. So for my big head, 3 packs would definitely be enough. So that's good, because I was doing faux locks one time and had to go back to the store. I think after work too, I had to like hide it somehow, go to work with my hair half done, go back to the store after work, and then finish. I'm hoping there is some miraculous way that I can cover the back with this pack. I just don't feel like going half-headed to the store. Well, I gotta go back to the store. Could not find the hair. I'll just have to finish up tomorrow. Y'all, I got the last 2 packs on the shelf. When I tell you God is on my side, He is on my side. Don't want to do that. So nowadays I buy more than I need. So at this point it's been half an hour. I'm gonna cut the camera off, turn my timer on, and then I'll update you guys at the end. It was fun talking to you. I'm finished, and it's just been a little over an hour. So if you're wondering, this hairstyle only took me about an hour to do. And yeah, I did the back in front of the TV. I haven't seen it yet, but I feel like, I don't know. Let me fix this part. It feels like it got kind of thick, but it's still super light. But let me see. I don't like hair that's too thick. I went a little heavy on the edges, just in case I want to like put it on the side. But yeah, this is how this hair looks in the back. I can hit it with the middle part. Where's that other part over here? Is that the part? Yeah. Little side part on this side. Not that part. And then that side part over here. Yeah, so that's why you just want to make sure you do some nice clean parts. In the front, the back doesn't really matter, it gets covered up. Alright, so I went back in and moved some hair around. When I saw the back, by one of these parts, it was pretty bare. And you can see my red hair, but now I think I fixed it. I just moved some, I went a little tight in the bottom back, and I should have focused on the top back first. Alright, so let's see, since I cannot find my mirror, okay, I think that's better. Then check. Yeah, okay. I think that is better now. All right. So that brings me to the end. I'm just gonna put this here in a bun. It looks so cute. Up like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a new method that I haven't done before, and I really do like it. That is it in a nutshell. Thank y'all so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channels, and so you don't miss a beat. Alright y'all, see y'all in the next one. Let me stop playing, y'all.